That's how deep the water is. It's about a foot and a half. See, water is coming strong in. The computer, see the computer? It's all messed up. Wow, everything is floating back there. See inside here. Everything is, and the bomb is going.